Qinhuangdao Jingwei Stone Co Limited, or JW Quartz, is a professional engineered quartz stone manufacturer. It lies in Lulong County, Qinhuangdao City, near Tianjin Port and Beijing Airport. With our own quartz quarry, slab line, and deep processing line, we supply integrity of quartz grits, slabs, kitchen countertop, and bathroom vanity. Quartz grits are selected and refined to make sure good surface looking. High-pressure compactor makes tight and even slab. Experienced designers and artisans in R&D Center design various of creative product drawings and supply OEM and ODM service to customer. Being technologically advanced, JW can design and produce colors, whether complex in pattern or veined for multi or single color solids. JW Quartz, who introduced the high design quartz concept, always show up as a creator in China market. We can make high design quartz, big veins, Calatica, Staturio, and Carrera. JW Quartz have passed the certification of ISO 9001. Products exported to North America, Europe, Oceania, Southeast Asia. Strict inspection makes refined quality. Advanced technique combined with innovative designs. That is the key to JW worldwide reputation. Established in 2013, our sale keeps booming in both abroad and domestic market. To meet the urgent rising need of our customers, we are expanding our factory, expecting to reach 12 lines within 3 years. Sincerely wish a great future together with your cooperation.